I'm making chicken enchiladas today, a tasty Mexican meal packed full of flavors. Let's get started on that enchilada sauce. It only takes a few minutes to make. In a pan, got some vegetable oil or olive oil, a couple of tablespoons of tomato paste. I'm going to add in some herbs and spices. You really can play it by ear here, and you can add however many you feel you need. So that's just cooked through nicely. I'm going to add in 2 tins of diced tomatoes. Use the flavoured ones if you like. I'm going to add in a cup of water as well. And also, I've got 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. That's ready to use. I'll just leave it to one side. Now to get started on the main dish. In a pan, I've got some hot oil. And I'm going to add 1 chopped onion. Then here I've got some chicken. It's about 650-60 grams of diced up chicken. So the chicken's cooking through nicely. I'm going to add into the pan, I've got about 2 cups of just roughly torn up fresh spinach. That's going to go in. I like to add in just a little bit of capsicum to add some extra flavour. A little bit of salt and pepper. And then here I've got a can of black beans, which I've rinsed and drained. This has cooked down really well. Look at those colours. I'm going to take a spoon of the sauce and just spread it across the base of the tortilla. And then we're going to take a little bit of the mixture and just run it across there in a line. I'm just going to roll it up like this, kind of as neat as you can. Doesn't really matter though, to be honest. And I'm going to put it into my dish like this here. And I'm just going to keep going and I'll make up the rest of them. And then we're going to sprinkle cheese over the top and bake. And it's going to be golden and delicious and tasty. Here are my finished chicken enchiladas straight from the oven. Tasty chicken, black beans and spices in there too.